Surchan Maharaj, the king of Manipur, had invited the Britishers over for dinner, and they had prepared a sumptuous meal of over 150 varieties of food. One of the dishes was pakora thongba. Pakora is a fritter made out of gram flour, and one of the guests that evening had enjoyed the dish so much that he asked, on which tree does the pakora grow? The reason why I told you that story is not because I'm cooking pakora thongba today, maybe some other day. The reason being that Manipuris have the largest repertoire of amazing array of dishes, and they take pride in their cooking. Well, welcome to Eat Your Kappa, and in today's video I'm going to make a very simple Manipuri stew made out of potatoes, tomatoes and peas. The ingredients required to make this dish are 1 cup of fresh green peas, 2 medium-sized potatoes that has been sliced, 1 medium-sized tomato finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and salt to taste. To make this dish, the first thing that we need to do is boil 2.5 cups of water. The water is boiling. Let's add in all the vegetables except for the ginger. Allow the vegetables to cook till they are tender. The potatoes look cooked. Mashed in some potatoes so that the gravy thickens. Looks like the dish is ready. Let's stir in the ginger and the salt. Cover it with a lid and allow it to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, and your dish is ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I am going to go to that tree and find out if there are pakoras growing in it. Till then, please subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from the Northeast.